If you find your drawing is not accurate as this one, the problem is not using the drawing tools. The problem is that you're not using a very important tool known as the object snap, also known as the OSNAP tool. The object snap tool ensures that you are able to snap the different points depending on your need. Example is the end point, the midpoint, the center, and the intersection. To enable the OnSnap tool, you go to the bottom of the screen. There's this option known as the 2D OSNAP option. To enable it, you can go to the three dots on the left, on the right, and then click on it, and you'll enable the 2D object snap. So to ensure that it is on, you always click on it, and then it turns to blue. Then after that, you have to ensure that the different settings are enabled correctly. One of the beginner mistake is you enable all the OSNAP options. But as experts, you are not supposed to enable all OSNAP options, but instead you select various tools which are very important. And for beginner, I usually encourage them to use the end point, the midpoint, the center, the intersection, and the lay perpendicular. With these 5 options, they are good for you to go. Then you click OK. Then it is on. So when you draw a line, the next time when you want to draw a line, you just click on this point, and when you want to draw, you'll see a snap. It wants you to snap that point. When you move to the middle of the line, another snap appear like the triangle, which is the midpoint. And on the end, another one appear, which is the end point. So with this one, you'll be able to snap correctly. And you can see when you want to draw a perpendicular, line perpendicular to this line, the snap for perpendicular also appears. So you have to ensure that you watch on the snap option so that you can select the correct one. If you want to the end point, you just select that point. If you want the perpendicular, you select the perpendicular. And that's how you can be able to select correctly. If you want to draw a line from the center of this circle, you have to select that, and then you hover to the line, and then the snap towards the center appear. So that's how you can select towards that, and then you'll be able to identify the position that you want. So in this lesson, we have learned how to use the OSNAP tool as an expert and ensuring that our drawing is as accurate and precise as we want. Thank you, and see you in the next video.